Hi, today I'm going to show you how to activate the Android Auto software on your Talisman. So the first thing you need is an OptionPlus kit. This is made by OptionPlus company, in which they create canvas devices for Renault and Porsches and other brands. So the first thing you need to do after you purchase this is you need to connect it to the connector down here. As you can see, I'm connecting it. So when you connect it, the display would turn white. That's how you know it's working, and the system will restart after that. And then, as you can see, it's restarting, and after that the Android Auto option will be activated. So we're gonna wait on that. As you can see, it took about less than 30 seconds for the system to restart. Then we're gonna turn on this all link, and we're gonna connect our Android device. So we need a cable, an Android device. So after we connect our phone, there would be an option added here as Android Auto. We're going to click on that, and as you can see, it's going to take a while for the person. So as you can see, we have the Android Auto option added. We have our music here, our phone calls, and we have our navigation. You can still use the all link by clicking on this. And return to Renault. So there are some other options also added by this kit. You can purchase it, and some of the options I can say are the power window. So you on your key card, you click the lock button twice, and the windows automatically are closed. The other options are watching videos and while you're driving in motion. The one thing to consider is that the version of your R-Link must be 3.3.16. So you need to have a version higher than this to activate these options. You must consider this before purchasing. We're going to make other videos onto how to activate the power windows and other options.